Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause option, hit pause over here and then resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. So find Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can check. If you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working. Run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key and then run the last command. And once this is done, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. And let the scan complete. This process will take some time. Once the scan is complete, copy the second command. And then you have to paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5086672 over here, and then click on search. Let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. Here you can see version 25H2. In my case, the version is 25H2. Check your Windows version. Then go to System in Windows settings. Scroll down. Go to About option. Check your system type. So for me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So in my case, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 version, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5086672 and then you can run this file and you can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to close all kinds of third-party application or services. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit anti-cheat or any other anti-cheat, if you have Rad Vanguard, you can close those applications, or you can even uninstall it, restart your computer and then check. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Now if you have any third-party antivirus, you can disable your third-party antivirus while updating the Windows 11. Now once you're done updating your Windows 11, then you can restart your antivirus program. Next step is to go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, this one, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. The download will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.